Why did I get psoriasis? This is one of the commonest questions patients ask us as doctors. So in this video, I will be helping you understand the commonest causative factors which often are not explained by the allopathy doctors. Before I walk you through the causative factors, there is a 3-step protocol of psoriasis that I would want you to be aware of. Step number 1 is identification or confirming the diagnosis. Often psoriasis is confused with eczema, and therefore thinking that it could be any other regular skin lesion like eczema, the treatment gets delayed and therefore it starts getting chronic and spreads all over the body. So before this happens, if you notice that the scaly lesions on your body are highly itchy, most commonly found on the knee, elbow, trunk and scalp, and if these are actually painful, giving you trouble during the night as well and affecting your concentration, then in that case 90% it is psoriasis. Now that brings us to step number 2, which is acknowledging the fact that you have got psoriasis, considering the taboo around it and the fact that most often the modern science says that it is incurable. Most people are in denial mode. Instead of getting into the denial mode, you acknowledge, and instead of accepting, get onto the solution mode. You're already halfway through getting rid of psoriasis 100%. And that brings us to step number 3, which is the solution. The solution is not just popping in a steroid or popping in a topical steroid cream. Instead, we need to understand the root cause. Of course, genetics do play a key role, but that's not it. The genetic predisposition paired with the amount of stress, the kind of food and the lifestyle that you lead is what makes you prone to a disease like psoriasis. So Ayurvedically understood, there are certain food factors which makes you prone to it, and they are: first one, inflammatory food combination, which the modern nutrition is still in a state of denial. And that is because certain combinations like milk with meat, milk with fish, milk with salty foods, milk with fruits, all of these leads to the formation of an inflammatory byproduct called AMA, which settles in the plasma blood muscle and thereby leading to the formation of lesion, especially if you have genetic predisposition. Along with this, if you are also exposing your body to extreme heat and cold alternatively, say for example, immediately after exercise, if you are exposing yourself to ice cold water during shower, or having a combination like hot brownie with ice cream, this can also lead to the formation of inflammation and also affecting the quality or health of your skin cells. And certain other habits like frequent consumption of pickles, curd, or having alcohol and even smoking also makes you prone to the same. And which is why whenever you're going through a cure-oriented treatment Ayurvedically, 6 food items are forever to be avoided, at least until the last lesion on your body has let, which usually happens within 3 to 4 months of starting with the treatment. And the 6 food items are jaggery, sesame seeds, seafood, fish, milk, curd, and urad dal. If you can avoid these 4 items for minimum 4 to 6 months, none of these lesions are gonna come back, and after that you can savor these food once a while. So these are the foods that are to be avoided if you have been diagnosed with psoriasis and want to get rid of the same. If you have got any more doubts, do let me know in the comments and I shall get back to you.